So I know a lot of y'all out there are hearing about this crazy weather in Texas at the moment. Y'all hearing about these snowstorms. People taking pictures of how icicles are forming from their ceilings. Toxic water. Lack of electricity. Lack of gas. President Joe Biden did say it was going to be a dark winter, you guys. You know? And as far as I'm concerned, these presidents are not guides, you guys. They like to seem like they can predict the future because everything is already written. You know, everything is already planned. The truth is in plain sight. The Illuminati card game, right? They have this card on there named Weather Control. The Weather Control card, right? You see what appears to be a man playing with the clouds, manipulating the clouds. How many of my subscribers are familiar with the HARP system that was created by the military, the US government? This HARP system is the very thing, the very device that was used to create Hurricane Katrina. All of the major catastrophes that you've seen occur around the world was created by the HARP system. Okay? Now, this whole snowstorm that's going on in Texas, we all know the coronavirus is out there right now, right? Because they're bringing up all kinds of things on the news at the moment. We have the COVID-19, and then we have this snowstorm. We have the vaccines. We have the FEMA camps. I personally feel within myself, they are creating all these man-made storms, clearing all of the grocery stores out, taking all of the gas out of the gas stations, giving the people toxic water. All of this is a design to lower people into the FEMA camps. Okay? They know that a lot of people are not spending their money on building supplies. You feel me? Stocking up on food, stocking up on water, stocking up on gas, stocking up on anything that is meant for your survival, right? A lot of people are using their income to keep up with the Joneses, you know? And this is how the government is going to be able to trap a lot of us, you guys. A lot of us. US. They're going to trap a lot of us and turn us into US updated servants. You know? By messing with your very survival. Once you are in the FEMA camps, it's not going to be a choice for you to take a vaccine. Because in order for you to live on the same soil with other people, to be able to eat, to be able to drink water, to be able to have luxuries that naturally come with life, you will be required to take a vaccine. So, all of this, with this, this snowstorm in Texas and stuff like that, that was created by the HARP system. You know? There's a lot of news articles coming out about the vaccines, you guys. I want you guys to go read the different videos that's coming out on YouTube about people speaking about these vaccines. I'm not trying to get censored on YouTube, so I'm not going to get too in depth about it. But you guys already know what that thing is about. Okay? This is all a design to lure people into Walmart, martial law, to continue the NWO, the New World Order. heart. You guys drop your thoughts and opinions in the comment section what you think about this video. The title of this video: the government is using the HAARP system to create man-made storms to lower people into FEMA camps by lack of resources. You guys drop your thoughts and opinions in the comment section what you think about this video. This is Electrifying Vibrations. Shalom.